faster, more stable, more care. T-Series high-speed tablet press machine, made by Canaan, adopting the latest design concept, integrating a number of patent technologies, and manufactured with craftsman spirit. W3-temper feature. The upper distributing wheel drives the material to evenly fill the cavity. The lower filling wheel and the dosing wheel ensure that the material in the mold has the same density and filling quantity. The servo motor drives the compression roller mechanism and the dosing mechanism to adjust the thickness of the tablets and filling depths. The accuracy can reach 0.01 mm. The tablet chute adopts a fully closed structure to control dust overflow, split-type design to meet a variety of sorting needs. The touchscreen can rotate freely and adjust the pitch angle, adapting to the habits of different operators. From 410 to 420, the turnaround of large pitch diameter can accommodate more dies, which increases the productivity. High precision key components, more accurate assembly to ensure that the performance of the compression machine excellent. High performance PLC with industrial PC to provide a strong computing capacity. Reinforced columns filled with special shock-absorbing materials to make the machine run more stable. Not to limit traditional design, the unique up and down coaxial structure of punching achieves the extending the pressing time, reducing the wear of punching rod and turret. From the cabin door to the tablet chute, the Level 3 safety loop provides you with comprehensive security. Complete process monitoring effectively controls the risk of equipment operation. Dual cooling system, efficient cooling hot parts, gives the equipment a cool operating space. Innovative pressing station structure can be easily removed without special tools, making calibration more convenient. Making the complex simple, the feature support frame adopts triangle structure. So, the center of gravity is stable and the level is adjusted quickly. With full-width double-layer hollow cabin door, clearer and transparent view, more significant dust and noise reduction effect, more comfortable operation, and more convenient cleaning. Adhering to the core values of love, T-Series tablet press not only meets the requirements of capacity and performance, but also pay more attention to the comfort of operation to create greater value for you.